With cyclist fatalities climbing in cities and infrastructure lagging, Velo AI is confronting the urgent challenge of bike safety. Riders face unpredictable traffic every day, and the risks continue to grow. Velo AI created Copilot to make riding safer. Using advanced sensors and AI, it detects vehicles, predicts overtakes, warns riders, and captures near-miss data that helps cities design safer streets. To move from early prototypes to something riders could rely on, Velo AI joined InnovationWorks and the Robotics Factory's Accelerate program. With seed funding, prototyping facilities, and hands-on mentorship, the team refined Copilot into a reliable product and validated that the market was ready for it. That foundation led to early deployments, a US DOT grant, and multi-city pilots in Pittsburgh and Ann Arbor, turning everyday rides into intelligence that prevents crashes before they happen. Velo AI shows how robotics and AI can strengthen communities, giving planners the insights they need to build safer, more rider-friendly streets. InnovationWorks, empowering founders building the future of robotics.